Hello everyone, welcome to our channel जहाँ पे होती है आपकी preparation 50% faster. This is Anjali Pratap and we are in this session going to talk about one of the very important and yet again one of the very less talked topic as well. When we talk about in terms of UIC examination, you all know that you have to appear for the descriptive paper as well, where you are expected to write an essay which is going to award you 20 marks, and you have a letter writing as well. Letter writing question is going to be of 10 marks. In this session we are not going to talk about letter as of now, but yes, if you want to understand the detailed pattern and the do's and don'ts in terms of the entire descriptive English section of your UIC exam, you can definitely refer to the previous video जो हमने इस चैनल पर बना के आप लोगों के लिए अपलोड कर रखी है. If you haven't watched that, प्लीज़ गो अहेड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टूडेंट्स एंड वॉच दैट एंड देन कम टू दिस वीडियो, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हम स्पेसिफिकली अपना जो डिस्कशन है वो ऐसे टॉपिक्स के ऊपर रखने वाले हैं. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टूडेंट्स, व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट इन टर्म्स ऑफ essay writing, I have also suggested you some tips and some do's and don'ts in terms of your writing it, or what are the areas where we have to keep our focus upright, intact. That also I have shared in the previous video. आज की सेशन में हम सीधा चलेंगे उन टॉपिक्स के ऊपर which are important in order to get good marks in terms of your descriptive English. The first one, or the first slide which you are right now see on your screen, suggests you some topics based on the first of all obviously current affairs, the day-to-day happenings, and obviously we have to be a bit inclined towards the insurance part. Definitely you will always get an upper hand, students, if you are well aware of you, if you are, let's say, read your newspaper on a daily basis, and specifically some news related to your insurance, banking, economy related topics, then as I said, you will be having an upper hand, students. But apart from that, don't worry that let's say if you are not well read about that, you can always get some general topics too, some social and some political issues, or maybe something which has been an issue आपने न्यूज़पेपर में नहीं देखा हो, बट न्यूज़ में कहीं सोशल मीडिया पर किसी ब्लॉग को पढ़ते हुए अगर आपने देखा हो, that also going to be an added advantage, everyone. So let's quickly have a look at these topics जिससे हम एग्जाम में एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं क्वेश्चंस आने का. So first one is FDI and insurance. So basically students, the examiner will not ask you basically the entire definition and everything in terms of that. बस आपसे आपका ओवरव्यू पूछा जाएगा उन टॉपिक्स के ऊपर. सो दे माइट आस्क यू सम काइंड ऑफ एडवांटेजेस, डिसएडवांटेज, ड्रॉबैक्स इन समथिंग, और लेट्स से व्हाट आर द फ्यूचर प्रोस्पेक्ट्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ दैट. सो यू कैन ऑलवेज update yourself in that area, so that you'll be having a good some points to write in that particular one. Okay, apart from that, you can also have a glance at the marketing practices in insurance sector, and again the different views on it, good or bad. Students, always remember, if such kind of questions have been given, don't think that okay, you always have to be a biased one, or let's say if you are having a good idea about the bad points, don't think that you have to write the good ones. Okay, whatever side which you are taking, good or bad, advantage or disadvantage, please do some justice to that and provide a complete scenario in that terms. Apart from that, this is again a very important thing and a very prevalent one as well. What are the different prevalent frauds in the insurance sector? इसके बाद आप financial awareness की भी बात कर सकते हैं among people. This can be a very generic topic, students. You don't have to go very much into detail, but हाँ, एक overall idea आप ज़रूर दीजिए student अपने essay में. Again, now as I said, there might be some generic topics as well, जिसमें you will be having very good content, some good matter points over there, and this is one of them: global economic slowdown and its impact on emerging economies. For this, but yes, you have to be a bit aware of the recent happenings in this arena. You have to update yourself that what are the latest trends in this particular segment. Apart from that, India's digital transformation, guys and girls, yes, we are in that evolving period, evolving era. तो digital पॉइंट या डिजिटल एरिना की तरफ से यू माइट एक्सपेक्ट सम और अदर टॉपिक। वो डिजिटल में हो सकता है आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस की तरफ थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा बायस्ड हो, बट येस मे बी यू विल गेट 1 or 2 टॉपिक्स जो थोड़ा टेक्नोलॉजी से डिराइव्ड रहेगा। येस, एज आई सेड, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एंड इंडस्ट्री ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कैन ऑल्सो बी वन गुड ऐसे टॉपिक। हो सकता है डायरेक्ट ये वर्ड्स ना हो स्टूडेंट्स, दे माइट आस्क यू सम रिलेटेड टाइटल लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल कैन मशीन्स रिप्लेस ह्यूमन बींग्स, या राइट। सो बेसिकली दीज टॉपिक्स आर nothing but deriving from the same root, you can say. Yes, climate change, sustainable practices or sustainable initiatives, what have been done for that. Apart from that, if there is anything related to global trade or ultimately directly or indirectly if it is affecting the financial situation, if it is directly indirectly affecting the economy of the nation, तो ये टॉपिक्स आपको ज़रूर करना चाहिए। दूसरी चीज़ आ जाती है हमारी जो एनर्जी शिफ्ट है, जो रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी की तरफ शिफ्ट हो रही है, उसके ऊपर यू कैन टॉक अबाउट दैट डिफरेंट रिन्यूएबल सोर्सेज ऑफ एनर्जी, how well India is progressing towards that, what are the future prospects of that. Then MSMEs and it's their role in your India's growth. Digital payment system, again coming from your digitalization arena, everyone. Then future of work, remote gig economy and automation. So basically after COVID you might have seen an upsurge in this part, right? So you can always quote that thing कि कहाँ से इस चीज़ की ज़्यादा शुरुआत हुई। Cyber security in the digital age, obviously digital age or digitalization comes at its own cost, and उसके लिए cyber security एक बढ़िया topic हो सकता है to write an essay on. Then yes, as I said, some social issues will be there, and we might expect one topic from the women section. Sometime it will be women empowerment directly, or maybe women in business, women in politics, or maybe the role of women in shaping the society itself. तो women से related आपको एक topic expect कर सकते हैं. Last but not the least, India's leadership role in G20. Or students always remember whatever summit or whatever conferences have been held in the last 3 to 6 months, please keep yourself updated in that way. बस pointers में भी आपको कुछ अच्छे पॉइंट्स पता हो, यू डोंट हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी डिटेल्ड अबाउट दैट यू हैव टू राइट अ थीसिस पेपर. नो, यू डोंट हैव टू राइट अ थीसिस पेपर गाइज. इफ यू आर जस्ट अवेयर ऑफ सर्टेन पॉइंट्स कि क्या ऐतिहासिक चीज़ें वहाँ पे हुई, व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट गुड थिंग्स विच हैपेंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ आवर कंट्री, वो भी अगर आप वहाँ पे पढ़ लें, देख लें, that will be a cherry on the cake in terms of your essay, everyone. So these are some important topics, students, which you can always take help on, and you can always read a few articles, blogs, or newspaper clippings from it, so that you just provide some authentic, some good points in terms of these topics. I hope this session will help you to understand that perspective of the essay topics. आज के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं. Let's meet again in another session. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Take care.